Hey guys, I'm out with nature and I've got a fun science fact for you all. Did you know that gravity makes time slow down? What does that mean? When time slows down, what that means is that all natural processes have slowed down. So all clocks, your heart rate, all of the brain waves, everything you're thinking, all natural processes slow down. That's what it means for time to slow down. And the great question is, how does this happen? Well, there's this thing called general relativity that explains it, but it explains it in terms of transformations of space-time, something we call space-time. Now, this is rather unintuitive, and it's got a lot of predictive value if you plug in those equations, but it's not intuitive and it doesn't really help you to understand it that much. So what you need to understand this is to realize that gravity changes size, okay? So if you were to go up to the International Space Station, all of the particles that make up your body would be a little bit smaller by only a few billionths, okay? And because everything is smaller up at the International Space Station, time goes a little bit faster. Down here, it's just the opposite. Everything is running a little bit slower. If you have a really, really sensitive atomic clock and you raise it off the ground by a few feet, then the clock that is further up off of the ground will tick off a little bit more time than the clock that's lower towards the ground. And the reason for this, according to my theory, is that stuff gets bigger when it is further down into a gravity well. There's a lot of evidence for this, but this is what causes time dilation. This is what causes the force of gravity. And this is also what causes a thing called gravitational redshift and gravitational blue shift. Anyways, I've got more videos on this and I'm going to make a lot more. I will talk to you later.